Hi, Dre! So nandito tayo ngayon sa Mackenzie, ano to? Mackenzie ano to?
Mackenzie Crossing.
Mackenzie. Job, kuya. Oh, wow. Easy. Open, open yan. Oh, wow. So, open. Good na? Hello? Wala akong ano, worms. Worms pa lang. Ooh.
Meron lang siya ko.
Dami ah. Oh. Yeah. Oo, dito ka banda.
Orange water.
Dito. Doon, dito lang. Okay, okay, go. Yan, dito lang, okay? No, doon. Okay ha, dito lang ha, dito. Okay? Dito. Doon, wag. Alin doon. Kuya, yung. Hay mo? May fish? Oh, wow! Clams! Oh. Oh! Yan na. Okay. Okay. Bili mo yan. Wow! Huli! Huli. Meron ko ya? Okay. Meron ulit? Hindi mo nakuha. Wala. More? Kuya, Dre! Just one more try. Pahiram dali, kuya. No, no, no. Don't throw it. Don't throw it, Dre. Mawawala yan. Kuya, ano yun, kuya? Kuya, what's that? Did you get any? Whoa, mussels. Good. Ray, how about you, Ray? Oh, may nahuli si Kuya ano, crown fish. Sana Kuya? Dre, dito Dre, pagkimpit daw Dre. Meron si Kuya. Ano yun Kuya? Mahuli yan ng ganyan nak. Yung wow! Huli! Galing ah! Yeah? Kaya tayo? Good job. At wish? Oh, okay. Big one, Dre! Whoa, whoa! Good job! Whoops! Yeah, there you go. Still there's the bottom. Whoa! Here. Wow! Nice. Ooh, boating. Yeah, lagi mo kaya. Yeah. All of it. Whoa. Good job, yeah. Dami ah. Dami yung nahuli na ano. Sure. Hello, welcome to my vlog.
I have two.
Two shells? Two clubs?
What?
Oh, a lot of wraps.
Oh, baka gusto mo pa kayong pagkain.
Okay. Ang gagawin natin. Sige tayo. Sige tayo muna lang. Yan, kain muna tayo.
Only one. I don't know.
Say hi, Kuya Kale.
Thank you. Okay, maganda. Okay. Kusyon din din ngayon. Sa vlog ba yan, Kuya?
Yeah.
Uy, kumain ka ng salad.
May upuan pa dito. Oh. Ka. May upuan pa. So my vlog, this is Albert Chan. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Saan po kayo sa atin, sister, sa Pilipinas?
Sa Negros po.
O yan, oh, shout out din sa mga taga-Negros. Team, ayaw man?
Yeah, fun. Yeah, we're Iligay nun, yung Ilonggo.
Iligay nun? Kabalo maghapon ko mag-Ilonggo.
Yeah, oh, that's good. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, the salad is from my garden.
Oh, nice.
The mango is from my farm.
Farm in Superstore Farm or?
Sana all my farm. Superstore farm.
But the rest are from your garden. That's good. That's healthy. But I think we want rice today. Rice and tuyo and ginataang langka.
Pepper, blueberry,
Nice.
and lettuce.
And then anong nilagay mo sis na ano? Yung okay, nice. Oh, may malagkit pa oh. Wow. May tuyo, guys. Look. Daing. Yan. Hindi ba yung bagong o sa galing sa farm?
Galing sa farm.
Carol, yung saging mo galing sa farm? Oh yeah, Carol's farm.
Superstore Farm.
Plantation.
Good, good.
Here in Canada.
Nice.
Only 3 months,
Ang bilis ano? Whoa! Job, Owen.
Owen.
Dito may upuan, Owen.
Owen!
Dami nababag sa atin. Diyan pa?
You see it? Yeah. Yan. Do you see that one? That one, see? Do you see that? You see it or no? Kinakamay mo. Nakikipigil ako dito. No, there is a purpose. There.
Andiyan pa?
Nakita mo hindi. Ayun. Hindi, oo.
Oh!
You were from Trenville.
Oh!
Pick it up already.
Oh, they started at Trenville.
Yeah.
Wala na. Did you get it? I thought you got it.
Sabi nila lang, dami ito lahat nakayuko eh. See, your sister is not prepared. Oh, no,
Saglit yun din. Marating mo ka.
Boat?
dapat naghangin sila doon.
Oh!
Hindi ko masalan.
Meron? Sana?
Ano?
Kaya ka! Go, go, go! Kunin mo kaya!
Did you see that one? Just on the phone, yeah. Did you see that? The big one, yeah.
Ay, you got it?
Wrong one.
No?
We got the wrong one. Hindi nakita, sayang. So, paano naman siya nakakuha mo?
Dapat talaga yung tama yung sabi mo yung parang, ano?
Yung clip na
Yeah.
barbecue. Dapat yung manok.
Ano yun?
Yung manok ilagay mo lang tapos kamay nila. Yapat mo na lang.
Oh, okay.
Nalala natin yung crab natin na ano.
Yung pang crab? Nilagyan mong manok?
Oh, 50 kilos.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's another one.
Kuya, there's another one daw. Okay.
And then I'll trade you. I want the biggest one. Okay.
Trading. Barter. Wow! Hindi naman sila ganun ka sakit mga ga? Hindi sila katulad ng crab na talagang na malakas ang agos, no? One, go, go! Woo! Boom! Yeah, yeah.